Let me teach you how to make this yummy, soft and fluffy akara. Hello lovelies and welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Amaka. In this video, we're going to learn together how to make this soft, yummy, delicious and fluffy akara. Okay? Alright, I had already washed and peeled the beans. Okay? So now I'm transferring the washed and peeled beans into the blender. Adding onions. You need good amount of onions. Now, bell pepper, habanero pepper and one large yellow pepper. We're going to add half a cup of water into the blender, and you want to be careful during this part to avoid your beans being too watery. Cover and allow to blend. You want to continue to blend until it becomes very soft and smooth. Alright, so we're going to add some seasonings, a little bit of salt, and continue to blend. So here is the outcome. Alright, so we're going to transfer into a separate bowl. Look at that butter. Okay, so after that we're going to mix with hand mixer. You can as well mix with electric mixer. Now your batter should look something close to this. Now we're going to put this aside and prepare to fry akara. Add some sunflower oil into your wok. You can also use vegetable oil. Allow the oil to heat up a bit, then add some onions. You want to scoop good amount of butter into the oil. Again, be sure not to overcrowd the pan so as to allow your akara to fry properly. Flip your akara once you notice the golden brown. And this should be about 2 to 3 minutes. And repeat the same process after 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so today's hugs goes to Cheese Space, watching from the United Kingdom. I'm glad you love our videos. And thank you sis for watching, I appreciate you. Be sure to leave your comments, okay? And let me know where you're watching from so I can send you a hug. Once golden brown on the both sides, transfer onto a paper towel. Yeah, this is it. So after this, I'm just going to continue the same process until we are done. If you have watched up to this time, you are amazing. And thank you also so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, if you haven't followed this page, please do well and follow. Subscribe if you have not, and thumbs up this video as well as share this video if you can. And thank you also so much for watching. So the second batch, I'm going to add chopped pepper and onions. And we're going to mix together. Again, we're going to use the same process and continue to fry. Again, you can pair this akara with custard, pap or oats. So we paired ours with oats. Alright. Preparing the oats. Let me know if you want a detailed video on how to make a very good oats. Alright, so moving forward, this is the end part of this video. I hope you loved it. Yeah, so it came out so good, very yummy, soft and fluffy. Honestly, the combination was just amazing. Thank you also so much for watching this video, and don't forget to share to your friends, anyone you love. Alright, thank you all once again for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Bye, lovelies.